Hello students, good morning. Today we will begin chapter 1. It means in this class we will revise chapter 1. What is computer system? As you can see the heading computer system. We know that computer works with the help of different units. When input unit, output unit and processing unit work together, it makes a computer system. We know that computer works with the help of hardware and software. As the name shown, hardware. Hardware is everything that we can see and touch in a computer. कंप्यूटर के वो पार्ट्स जिनको हम लोग देख सकते हैं और जिसको हम लोग छू सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं. These components that are attached to the computer from outside, just like keyboard, monitor, mouse, or those that are located inside the computer such as CPU and the disk. All these parts or all these components are known as hardware. Then what is software? As you can see, software. On the other hand, software is not visible as hardware. As you can touch keyboard, we can touch keyboard, mouse, but the internal processing, it means it can be, software can be defined as a data or instruction that instruct the computer what to do and how to do it. There are the examples of software are Word, TalkSpaint, PowerPoint. Such softwares are also called software programs or simply programs or applications. These are the other names of software. We can also call software programs and programs or applications. These are the logos, or you can see these are the icons of Word, then TalkSpaint and PowerPoint. Now we will discuss about 3 units of computer. Computer consists 3 main units. These are input unit, processing and output unit. First, what is input unit? As the name shown, input. Input, it means giving data. The input unit of computer consists of those devices that we use enter data into a computer. As the name shown, input. इनपुट करना, किसी चीज कोई इंफॉर्मेशन इनपुट करना, कोई डाटा एंटर करना, that is called input unit. Data, what is data? Data is a collection of facts that it can be analyzed to generate the desired result in a computer. For example, the name of students in your class, this is called data. Into a computer in the school is data. All the input devices together make input system of a computer. Example, all input devices. सभी input devices work together, and when all the input devices work together, it make a system. Which system? Input system. Examples of common input devices are input. Input devices are those devices which are used to input data, just like keyboard, mouse, scanner and so on. Here you can see the pictures also. Keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing or entering the data, and also mouse is also used to the same, just like keyboard. Then scanner scan all the pictures or data. Here, fact of Genie. Christopher Latham Scholes was an American inventor who invented QWERTY. Here on keyboard and also on our cell phones or Android phones, we can see the keypad. The keypad starts with the QWERTY, QWERTY. QWERTY keyboard was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes, and along with Samuel W. Soule, Carlos Gledin and John Pratt, has been regarded as one of the inventors of the first typewriter in United States. So these people invented the first typewriter. Mouse. Mouse is an input device. Mouse is also used to input data. So this is also input device. Mouse is an input device that is used to move the cursor. You can see cursor. Have you seen the cursor? Or mouse pointer on the computer screen. It is also called pointing device. Mouse is also called pointing device or a pointing tool. It contains two buttons that can be clicked to select or open items on the screen. There can be more than two buttons on mouse. You can also drag the mouse to draw something on the screen. It has a scroll wheel to move on the page on the screen up or down. So this is all about mouse. Now let's discuss some interesting points about keyboard. Keyboard is a device used to input or enter data into the computer by typing. So a keyboard is also an input device. A standard keyboard contains 104 keys. How much keys? 104 keys on a standard keyboard. These keys can be divided into different types according to the function they perform. Then, for example, the alphabets key, it means the keys just like QWERTY are used to type text. The number keys are used to do numerical, are used to type numbers, and navigation or arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen, and so on. Now the third input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device used to decode sounds into the computer. Here you can see the picture of microphone. Sound basically includes songs and music on your own. Here, this is the touchpad. This is also an input device. Now touchpad. Laptops have a special touch-sensitive area that you touch in order to move the cursor, and touchpad therefore performs the functions of a mouse in a laptop. Next, touch screen. What is touch screen? We all are using Android phones, and all the Android phones are touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen that allows you to perform various tasks simply by touching the screen with your finger. Therefore, the screen acts as an input device. Touch screens are commonly found in smartphones and automated teller machines, that is ATMs. Here you can see the picture of touch screen. Then light pen. Light pen is a pointing device having the shape of a pen, just like a pen. Here you can see shape of a pen. It can be used like a mouse to select items or draw directly on the screen. Light pen can only be used on CRT screen. Keep in mind, light pens are only used on cathode ray tube screens. This device is quite expensive Expensive means costly and is used by professionals like engineers, fashion designers, architects, and so on. Scanner, digital camera, and web camera. These three are also input devices. And about the processing unit and these three input devices we will discuss in the next video. I hope you all understood today's topic, which is about computer system. Computer system works together with the help of input, output, and processing unit. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.